All right, then it's almost a week now. The LPG supply disruption linked to the escalating conflict in West Asia is still triggering widespread anxiety amongst households and businesses across India. In several cities, this has led to panic bookings of cooking gas cylinders and very long queues outside distribution centers. Consumers across multiple regions say they are facing repeated failures while trying to book LPG refills. IVR numbers, mobile apps and even WhatsApp booking services have reportedly shown server down messages as booking traffic surged sharply. Distributors say the number of booking attempts has increased nearly tenfold in recent days, overwhelming systems that were not designed to handle such sudden spikes in demand. Meanwhile, the centre is urging citizens not to panic. Sujata Sharma, Joint Secretary for Marketing and Oil Refineries in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, said petrol and diesel supplies remain adequate at all fuel stations across the country. She acknowledged that LPG availability is currently a matter of concern, but clarified that there has been no complete dry out reported at any of India's nearly 25,000 LPG distributors. Sujata Sharma also appealed to citizens not to believe in rumours and urged people to avoid panic buying, saying the government is closely monitoring the supply situation. Listen in.
Uninterrupted supply to domestic households has been ensured. जो घरेलू हमारे कंज्यूमर हैं, उपभोक्ता हैं, उनको अनइंटरप्टेड सप्लाई इंश्योर की जा रही है। इसी तरह हॉस्पिटल्स और एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन को भी एलपीजी की सप्लाई दी जा रही है। Domestic production of LPG has increased by 30% today. हमारी रिफाइनरीज के अंदर 5 मार्च की तुलना में आज 30% अधिक एलपीजी का उत्पादन हो रहा है। कमर्शियल सिलेंडर्स के लिए commercial cylinders have been put at the disposal of state government for priority distribution. कमर्शियल सिलेंडर्स के लिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट की जा रही है कि वो प्रायोरिटी डिसाइड करके इंश्योर करें कि ये कमर्शियल सिलेंडर कंज्यूमर्स तक पहुंचे।
You heard that. While the government has directed that domestic LPG supply be prioritized, dealers say deliveries have showed considerably, even though supplies have not been completely halted. Commercial LPG supply, however, has largely been disrupted, impacting restaurants, caterers and several establishments in the food service sector. To ease the pressure, authorities have temporarily reintroduced kerosene and coal as alternative cooking fuels in some areas. The shortage is already affecting kitchen operations across the food and beverages sector. Many restaurants and cloud kitchens say limited LPG availability is forcing them to scale down production, delay deliveries and cut back on menu options as well. In Kolkata, several restaurants are grappling with a severe shortage of commercial LPG cylinders. Some eateries have begun reducing menu items, raising prices and even considering temporary closures if the situation continues in this fashion. Many have also started shifting to wood-fired ovens to keep their kitchens running.
मिडिल ईस्ट में वॉर का असर सीधे सीधे भारत पर भी नज़र आ रहा है। शासन प्रशासन भले ये बात कहें कि घरेलू सिलेंडर को लेकर किसी तरह की कोई किल्लत नहीं है, मगर असल ग्राउंड पर क्या स्थिति है वो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। तस्वीर देखकर ही आप समझ जाएंगे कि स्थिति क्या है। अब ये देखिए, 2 तरह की लाइनें हम दिखाते हैं। एक आम लोगों की लाइन, जब वो इस सिलेंडर के लिए पर्ची लेते हैं और उसके बाद इस सिलेंडर खाली सिलेंडर को देखकर भरा हुआ एलपीजी सिलेंडर लेते हैं। मगर यहाँ पर ये देखिए, सुबह 7 बजे 6 बजे से इसी तरह से लंबी कतारें, और ये सिलेंडर लाइन से इसलिए रखे हुए हैं कि इसे आप मान लीजिए कि ये कोई शख्स है, चूँकि यहाँ पर इतनी धूप है, इतनी कड़ी धूप है कि लोग जो हैं वो अब छाया में इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि कब उन्हें सिलेंडर मिलेगा। इनसे बातचीत करते हैं। क्या नाम है भाई साहब आपका?
विजय।
कब से खड़े हैं आप लोग?
मैं तकरीबन 6 बजे से खड़ा हूँ।
क्या उम्मीद है आपको मिलेगा सिलेंडर?
अभी भी नहीं, क्या कल से भी परेशान हो रहा हूँ, परसों से परेशान हो रहा हूँ, अभी भी गाड़ी नहीं आई। 9-10 बज रही है। बताइए, ये स्थिति है इनकी।
नहीं आई अभी तक?
बिल्कुल कहाँ आई, 9:30 पौने 10 बज रही है।
ये देख लीजिए, और आगे आप बढ़ेंगे और तकरीबन 70-80 मीटर लंबी ये लाइन होगी। 100 मीटर से ज़्यादा की लाइन हो चुकी है। भाई साहब कब से खड़े हैं, क्या उम्मीद है?
7 बजे से आया हम सब में
जी।
7 बजे से आया, उम्मीद है कि आने गाड़ी है, कब से खड़े हैं, पता नहीं कब आई गाड़ी। और वहाँ जाओ तो कंपनी जाओ तो वो कहते हैं OTP लाइए, ना OTP दो, देते नहीं, नंबर लगा बुक नहीं कर रहे हैं।
सरकार तो कह रही कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सब
सरकार तो कह रही कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कंपनी वाले क्यों कर रहा है फिर नाटक।
कंपनी वाले क्यों नाटक। भाई साहब आप बताएं, कब से खड़े हैं, कितनी दिक्कत है सिलेंडर को
8
लेकर?
बजे से खड़े हैं, बहुत परेशानी है। कल भी आए थे, वापस चले गए थे। कल करीब नहीं मिला था, 11-12 बजे तक खड़े रहे, मिला नहीं, ओवर हो गया था।
वही दिक्कत है सभी के साथ। आप बताएं कितनी दिक्कत सिलेंडर को लेकर?
सर बहुत दिक्कत है, 2 घंटे से तो खड़े हुए हैं, अभी तक नंबर का पता नहीं है और पता नहीं अब आएगा भी कि नहीं आएगा, और गाड़ी आने के बाद भी पता नहीं गैस मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, कुछ कह नहीं
ये
सकते।
देख लीजिए, आप जहाँ तक जा रहे हैं वहाँ तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोग हैं। भाई साहब आप बताएं, कितनी परेशानी हो रही है सिलेंडर को लेकर?
परेशानी तो हो रही है साहब, क्या करें, कमर्शियल तो बंद ही हो गया। घरेलू में घर के लोग भर भर के रख रहे हैं, क्या क्या पता क्या हो सकता है, इसीलिए परेशानी बहुत हो रही है।
आप बताएं।
क्या बताएं, जो सब कह रहे हैं वो हम कह रहे हैं।
वही स्थिति है, नहीं मिल रहा है सिलेंडर। अब यहाँ पर इतनी देर से आप खड़े हैं, उम्मीद है कि मिल जाएगा आज सिलेंडर?
क्या कह सकते हैं आप बताओ, एक गाड़ी आएगी 200 सिलेंडर लेके, तो यहाँ तो 300 की लाइन है, कुछ को मिलेगा।
महिलाएं भी यहाँ पर आई हुई हैं, आपसे बात करते हैं। आप बताएं कितनी परेशानी हो रही है आप लोगों को?
परेशानी हो रही है, 3 दिन से गैस खत्म है, गैस मिल नहीं रही है, बहुत परेशानी।
अभी लग रहा है कि पहले तो 2 लाइनें आप लोगों को पर्ची कटाने के लिए वहाँ जाना है, फिर उसके बाद सिलेंडर लेने जाना है।
जी हाँ, पर्ची कटाओ, OTP आए तो मिलेगा, OTP नहीं आएगा तो नहीं मिलेगा सिलेंडर। जी हाँ,
ये दिक्कत है। आप?
भैया ठीक है, मोदी जी की सरकार है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, देखते हैं।
उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। जी आप बताएं, आप भी सुबह से आ गए हैं, अब धूप भी है, छाया में इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, सुबह से लाइन में लगे हैं, क्या करें, परेशान हो रहे हैं। कल भी आए, कल भी वापस चले गए और आज भी आए।
कुल मिलाकर जिस शख्स से भी बात करें वो हैरान परेशान है, और दूसरी तरफ सरकार ये बात कह रही है कि स्थिति अब नियंत्रण में है, किसी तरह की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मगर असल सच्चाई ग्राउंड पर आपने देखी है कि हालात क्या हैं और लोग कितने परेशान हैं।
That there is a terrible shortage of LPG cylinders in the country, and despite assurances and daily briefings by the government, it hasn't in any way lessened the hardships and desperation felt by many in the country. The rumour mills are working overtime, and now it is about hoarding, black marketing and paranoia which has gripped we the people. Let's start with Tamil Nadu, where the first case emerged of the Gundas Act, which was invoked against 2 men in Madurai for hoarding and selling commercial LPG cylinders illegally. The Civil Supplies Criminal Investigation Department, which is CS-CID officials, swept down on this 2 and seized 209 cylinders, including 100 subsidized domestic cylinders and 109 commercial cylinders. In Chennai, long queues were witnessed at petrol and diesel stations, owing to the paranoia about a possible halt of sale of petrol and diesel. The average daily sale, according to data, has surged from a standard 15% to 20%. And now it is 50 to 70%. Micro, small and medium enterprises, which is MSMEs, across the state have appealed to the state government to grant a temporary exemption from charges for solar power usage and extend financial support for alternative technologies as they grapple with the severe crunch on LPG cylinders. Students in hostels have been forewarned of the emerging situation, and the Director of Medical Education, Dr. R. Sugandhi Rajakumari, instructed all government medical college hostels to trim their food menus and to include items that consume less fuel, and the reason being the depleting stocks of LPG cylinders. In Kerala, nearly 40 hotels are facing closure, and even the alternative firewood option is no more viable as the prices have skyrocketed. In Kerala again, over 100 hotels in Kochi have already shut shop and downed their shutters, and eateries which have managed to keep things going have reduced several items in their menus to stay just above ground. Let's now turn our attention to Karnataka. It's pretty much the same story, and here are a few reports which were filed by my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah, which makes it very clear that the situation is far from over. Take a look.
Bengaluru city is facing another crisis, and this time it's not traffic, it's the LPG gas cylinder. We are right now here at Bangalore Tindies. It is a chain of restaurants where you get dishes like idli, vada, dosa, and today you're seeing they're facing a huge crisis because of the LPG cylinders. Now let me show you the previous menu that they used to have. This is the things that they used to serve in this particular outlet that we are at, and now it has been cut short to tea, coffee, idli vada, butter plain dosa, butter masala dosa, butter pudi masala dosa, masala vada and buttermilk. So you can clearly see that close to 50% of their menu has been slashed, and this is not just one restaurant, but various restaurants across the city are facing the same situation. I am joined in by Rahul Lunawat. He is the owner of this particular place. Rahul, there's this LPG crisis that the city has been facing. You're one of the restaurant owners who have a chain of these restaurants. How difficult is the situation, if you can tell us?
See, of course, it's very difficult because everything runs on LPG. There's nothing that which runs on electricity. As of now, with all other restaurants, all new age restaurants right now who are opening are planning to shift to electricity. Why? Because that if not today, tomorrow again you're going to face the same issue. You don't know what's going to happen throughout the world. Some other corner of the world, we are facing an issue. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So I think people are going to shift to electric equipments, which eventually is going to be a cost burden to the restaurant owners as well as the customers. So it's going to be a cost structure
Because
change.
you're going to see a fluctuation in electric prices.
Yeah, because your equipments are expensive. Now your electricity is going to go high. Eventually the burden is going to come on the customers itself.
So you're expecting that in the coming days you might see hike in all these idli prices, vada prices and everything.
100%. How can we bear for, a restaurant owner can just bear for a certain amount of time, but eventually he has to pass it on to the customers. So, we can't take that burden throughout, right? Temporary situation we understand, a week or two we understand, we can take that burden. But post that we have to put the burden to the customers.
Okay, right now this is one eatery where we are at. How many such eateries you have, and what is the stock that you have, and how difficult it is going to be for the coming days, and for how long are your stocks left for?
See, right now we have stock of 1 day now, today. So we have 6 to 7 outlets. So we have 3 brands. We have 4 in Jayanagar, we have Bangalore Cafe on Shantinagar, and 3 to 4 outlets of Bangalore 10 days right now. So now we have stock left for 1 day. So now we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So we just, trying to channel out and talk to all of our connections. And then now there's a black market also going on. People are selling up cylinders in 5,000, 6,000 rupees, which we cannot afford doing that.
Gas's problem is that because of that is prices is increasing, and commercial gas and PGs also we are suffering, and PG owners also thinking more like that will be happening.
For customer it will be very difficult. Day by day, even from yesterday it is very low menu what they are providing due to this LPG issue. Even few more restaurants the rates are very high. So they made it as a double. If you ask for that, they're saying the cylinder cost is more, so the rates are being increased. So in coming days, we don't know whether they'll be opening the hotels or not.
मैं तो वो बुकिंग ही नहीं हो रहा है, गैस तो वो बुक कर रहे 2 दिन से, लेकिन बुकिंग नहीं हो रहा है, उठा ही नहीं रहे, वो फोन ही नहीं उठा रहे वो।
अच्छा।
अभी बोले है वो जो रिपेयरिंग करता है ना, मुझको बोला तो 2 दिन के बाद आके ऑफिस में आके बात करो करके बोला है।
But for now the situation is grim. Let's hope in the coming days, like Kamalji said, in the next 5 days things might change, and we hope that happens because otherwise the lower strata of the society will be affected very badly.